Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be talking about my Golden Goose sneakers. If you seen my last vlog, you seen where I purchased them, and I also promised you guys I was going to do a separate video talking about them. So I'm doing that for you guys today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kera Nichelle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. I purchased the shoes. They came in this bag, just a Golden Goose bag, and then the shoes came in this box, and the box is really plain. It does have words on it. I mean, it says Golden Goose and it has the stars on it, but you can't really, there you go, you can tell. But when you open the box, this is what it looks like, and the first thing that's in here is a Golden Goose passport. So this is basically just verifying that the shoes are real. And when you open it, it says you have just purchased an authentic Golden Goose product. So, and it says other things in there, but this is just verifying that these are real and they're not a knockoff or anything like that. And then it also comes with a dust bag to store your shoes in. And it says for dream use only, not designed for other activities. And this is what this looks like. Now, the only time I would really use this is probably for traveling purposes, because when I'm storing my shoes, I'm going to have them in the box when I'm at home. And then these are what the shoes look like, y'all. I am so in love. Like, these are so pretty to me, and if you know me, you know I love things that are shiny, glittery, sparkly. You could tell by my dining room table and not my dining room table, you could tell by my coffee table and my end table. I just love things that are shiny and just everything, y'all. So when I seen these shoes, I instantly fell in love with them. A little backstory, I was introduced to Golden Goose. I actually seen an influencer, she had them on in her Instagram picture, and that was the first time I ever seen them. So, you know, I kind of researched, seeing what the shoes were. So then I was in Nashville 2 weeks ago taking a solo trip. I think that was 2 weeks ago now, a week and a half ago. I don't remember. But I was taking a solo trip, and my sister wanted me to go to the Golden Goose store for her because we don't have one locally in the city that I live. So I went to the Golden Goose store for her, and I ended up buying some shoes. I was not even going in there for myself. And it's funny because after I purchased this, maybe a few days later, me and my sister were out for brunch, and it's like every other person walked in with Golden Goose sneakers on. So I was like, wow. But that's just a little backstory of how I actually got them. I wasn't, like, when I went to Nashville, I wasn't thinking like, oh, I'm about to go buy some luxury sneakers, but I have always wanted a pair of luxury sneakers. So these are my first, and y'all, I just love them. These are the Yeah sneakers in silver glitter with white leather star. The description is solid silver, solid love, inspired by the 90s. Our Yeah sneakers are an explosion of character and uniqueness. Revisited in total silver, this model features a silver glitter upper accentuated by a star and tongue in white leather. The white laces complete the look. So for the price of these shoes, I got my receipt here. These shoes retail for $575, and then plus tax I paid $628 for them. So these are Golden Goose, are luxury shoes, y'all, so you're gonna pay luxury price for them. But one thing that stood out for me personally, when I was watching other reviews, a lot of people say how comfortable the shoes are. That was the main thing I kept hearing. Comfort, they're comfortable. And I feel like if I'm gonna be buying luxury shoes, then I want them to be comfortable. I don't want my feet to be hurting and all of that. So they are on the pricier side. But one thing I love about these shoes, like, they're very fashionable, they're sleek, they're classy, and I love how you can dress these up or dress these down. You can wear these with a dress, a skirt, or you can wear these with shorts, blue jeans, dress down. That's what I love about them. If you are a fan of Golden Goose sneakers, then you do know most of their sneakers come with like a distressed or a worn look. I don't know if I'm really into that. Now, some of their shoes that have like the worn look, some of them look more worn than others. But when I went in the store, these caught my eye, so I instantly fell in love with them and just had to get them. So if you see these shoes, they just have, you know, the glitter in the front. They have the star on the side, and then on this side it says GGDB. And then on the back here, it says sneakers. And then that's about it. There's really nothing to it. You know, it has the leather tongue, and then the sole is leather as well inside of the shoe. And I just think these are just, y'all, these shoes are everything to me. I was so excited when I bought them. I just was so excited to get them, put them on my feet. Just the only thing I would say, the only con about this design is I was getting some shedding of the glitter. So one thing that I did was I went to CVS and I just got some clear fingernail polish. And if you like things that are glittery or shiny, you do know putting fingernail polish or sealing it with fingernail polish is a trick just to keep the glitter from coming off. So I just went to CVS, purchased this, and just took a thin layer and went all over my shoes with it and let them sit for a day. And now I don't get any glitter to fall off of them. That is a, you know, that's a con. And then I do feel like for the price that you pay, you shouldn't have to really worry about that. The glitter coming off of it. So you may have to seal it with fingernail polish like I did. But once you do it, you're not going to have the issue. That was just the only thing. But other than that, y'all, I really don't have any other issue with the shoe. The lady at the store she tied them up for me some fancy way, but I couldn't figure out how to do the other shoe. I should have let her do both shoes. And I tried to do the other shoe like this one, like the one she did, and I couldn't. So I just tied them both regular. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a try on test or let you guys see them on my feet, and then we're gonna wrap up the video. So yeah, y'all, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope that you guys enjoy. Let me know if you're thinking about getting a pair of Golden Goose sneakers, if you already own a pair, or what was your first luxury sneaker purchase. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow my social media pages. I'm gonna have those linked down in the description box below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. I would like to get to